Need to add dual clock on iPhone lock screen? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started without any further delay. First thing first, swipe down the screen from the top left corner of the screen. Tap and hold the screen and click on Customize at the bottom. Now you simply have to select lock screen. Once selected, you will see this gap right here. You need to click on it. Now scroll down and search for clock. Once done, click on it. So right here you can see it says view the time in multiple cities around the world. Now if you swipe left, you will be able to see more of a clock with different countries' time. From here you can select any one of it that you want to add. Let me select this one for now. Simply click on it. And there you go, the dual clock has been added. Well, you can also add this one as well. Once done, click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, dual clock on your lock screen has been added to your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.